We bought this van before Christmas, and it's taken us a while to learn a few things, such as where to put the gas, where to get in, how to get in, how to get out, and also its name, which is the Ram Dam Van Camper Van. Even with all that, there's still more we need to learn, and that's what we're going to talk to you about today, which is money. So we'll get to that in just a moment. I guess the first thing we need to talk about is what this bad boy cost. And the total, including taxes and fees and insurance, $28,805.30. Not too bad, really, considering we could have paid $100,000 for a new one, but we like this one, so that's what we got. One of the biggest things we had to take care of was our generator. It would start like a key on your car would try to start up, but it would not fire up. So we had a guy come over here. He was cool enough to come over, and then after a couple hours, we were able to figure it out. Here, right here, people, is our propane, and we have to pay for that to be filled. It may be fixed from time to time. And so we have costs there, which is...
So here's Frank's wonderful idea, and that's that he bought shoe cover for us. You know we're going to be in and out all day long, and you know we're not going to want to take our shoes on and off all day long.
We bought a bunch of other things, and we're going to talk about the ungodly amounts of money we spent for those. What's first?
It's just been crazy because we didn't anticipate this stuff at all. And it's freaking me out. Probably the most expensive thing we've purchased were the cushions to put on the bed. I did a fair amount of research to find cushions for us, and these fit the bill, which is so important to have a good night's sleep. But those did cost $227 for the two of them.
What the... Really?
I didn't tell you what I spent on those.
Oh, shit. Those are going back.
No, they're not. We're keeping those. Okay. The next expensive thing that I thought, but the price was ridiculous. And I don't know if you know this one. Were the closet organizers that we showed you with the drawers. This is our new closet drawer system, which we really needed. That was $90.
Shit. Really?
I got that on sale.
You got that on sale? Okay.
It was over $100
That's my
initially.
smart wife there.
And then the other expenses are unexpected things. Like we did join a group called Harvest Hope. And it allows you to stay on properties all over the United States for free. It's $86 a year. And
well, if everything's free, that we probably got our money source and more.
Oh, yeah. Although, if you stay at a brewery or a farm, you're encouraged to purchase things while you're there.
Yes.
It's not mandatory. We've already done one night camping.
We did one night camping.
Yeah.
And what ungodly fee was that?
It was $49 for one night.
$49. What fresh hell is this?
Oh, what fresh hell is this?
It was $42 here for one night, which I think is absurd.
Alicia's rant.
Without amenities. That's the word I want.
So,
the bathrooms were closed. The showers were closed.
Amenities. Took us off.
So we have planned a trip, and we are going to Hocking Hills State Park. This state park looks absolutely beautiful. But six nights. 6 nights. About $240.
$240. So but I think it'll be well worth it, do you?
But how are we going to afford to do this?
We'll go to a lot of BLMs and Harvest Host things.
What's a BLM?
Bureau of Land Management.
There you go. That is called boondocking. You go, you have no amenities, no plug-ins.
Why am I holding this?
Oh.
Why am I holding this?
Yes, tell us why.
This is a crescent wrench, and I had to buy this to get the freaking pipe that holds the
hoses.
The Ucky water hose out because it was frozen stuck. So I spent $18 on this. But this is going to come in handy. Yes, $18. What a deal. And it's not even the Crescent branch name. It's called Crestology.
That's a brand name?
Crescent? Yeah, Crest is a brand name. This is Alloy Crestology. Crestaloy, I'm sorry. Crestaloy.
So the next most expensive thing was the storage unit. And then, it being a lovely Michigan winter, we needed storage. And that was hard to find and more expensive than we thought it would be.
Now I'm backed up to it, but the door is not going up all the way. I'm trying to push it up with all my might, and I guess I don't have much might. So we're going to get a pull or something to shove that thing up even more.
We did get her out probably a month too soon. It was that 70-degree spring day that fooled us.
Bastards. Did we talk about the hose?
No. You have to have your own hose that's safe to drink water through.
Right here.
And don't tell us. We all grew up drinking water through the regular hoses. Yes, we all did.
And the sprinklers and everything else, like the good old days.
So the hose was... I write it down? No, I told you. You wrote it down.
The hose...
I think it was $24.
$24. Yeah, that sounds right.
And the little carrier for it was $17.
So 24 and 17 cost...
Can you add that?
41?
Maybe.
11, 1 and 2.
Spent $32 on our camping dishes.
Yes.
And they're nothing special to look at because we need to be able to use them in the microwave. So that was $32.
Right too.
We did buy a vacuum. Oh, Frank's got that too.
Yep.
Because you do, as much as you try not to track in, you do. And that was $29.
Yes.
I could have gone more expensive. I could have gone a little cheaper. I tend to go in the middle. So I did buy special towels for us. I'm really excited about these. One each.
Special towels.
Because they're quick drying.
They're fiber electric pacifiers. What are they called?
They're just microfiber.
Oh. Fiber elastic.
Frank's making stuff up again.
Microfiber doodads.
You got to watch out for this guy. He makes things up all the time.
That's what they are. Okay, where else are we?
Oh, we had to put the rodent protector.
Yes.
Little bags.
They smell lovely.
Little bags of smells.
Smells like mint or something.
Like. And knock on wood. Where's some wood? They
You knock somewhere out.
Oh, shut up. God. Okay, so far so good. No mice or signs of any trouble in the camper van yet. Spent about $20 on rugs.
And then we bought what? What's next? Oh, really? Lock.
Yeah, we had to get a lock for the storage place.
That was like 15?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Because it had to be some heavy duty thing I'd never seen before. And then we've got all the doodads you saw previously, shelf liners.
Yes. We'll show a link to that down there.
Hand towels that I bought special ones. Again, microfiber, so they dry quickly.
That's what we're spending. And if you have any ideas to spend less or even spend more, give us a shout out right down below in the comments. And if you like what you're seeing here, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and watch the next video down there somewhere.